What's good, YouTube? SRT Dave back with another banger video for y'all. This is part 3 of me dropping 3 straight videos in a row. So I'm gonna see how long I can keep going with this. Once again, didn't have an intro for the video. I got a banger for y'all today. This is when me and my brother went and did a photo shoot with my car. Probably one of the best videos that I've dropped, so definitely gotta stay tuned and smash that like button on this video and that sub button for sure. It's really like a vlog for real, so I know y'all gonna like this one. I'm definitely gonna get back with y'all in the next video, but I hope you enjoy this one. Definitely a banger, so just stay tuned. You know, it's always a great day when you get a haircut, and I figured, why not drop a video? Get a haircut, drop a video on the same day, and it's Friday. What's good, y'all? Today I got my brother with me and we gonna go take some pictures of the car, but first I gotta wash the car. About to go there, wash the car, and then, you know, I'm just gonna tap back in with y'all when we get to the spot to take some pictures. Let me give y'all this cold start real quick. I got this big ass umbrella with me right here because yesterday it was raining OD, so you feel me? But look how dirty the car is, yo. And look at him. He still got morning face. Alright. What are you filming on? The film camera today?
Yeah, both.
I don't know if I need rim cleaner. Might just go without it. But I do need to get a rag. I need to get a rag real quick. I need to get a rag real quick because I'm about to show y'all how you do the quickest wash and get the best results. You feel me? Because ain't nobody got time to be washing their car for 3 hours anymore. I know I don't. Do we have rim cleaner? I don't think we got rim cleaner, but I am gonna bring a can of this. Y'all know that's my go-to. But I gotta get used to flipping this phone around. I'm so used to editing my videos that I don't even be flipping the phone. I just switch clip to clip. But all right, I think I got everything that I need. Maybe I'll bring a towel to dry the car. This stuff too is also tough. If you miss a spot, why am I zoomed in so much? If you miss a spot, that's the ticket. Y'all better keep that, gatekeep that, cause that's a little secret. I can't even hold everything. I got a little, nah, all right. I'm just gonna throw it in the trunk like this. This trunk heavy as hell. All right, let's go. All right, y'all, we just got here, parked up. Wait, should I put tire shine on or not? Or you can't even tell? Here's the whip. Here's the best photographer in PA. Yes, sir. We parked up, getting some flicks. Need pictures of your car and you're in the PA area, I'm gonna leave my brother's Instagram down in the description. Hit him up. Super tough car photographer. He'll really do anything, but he's sturdy. Trust me. You can see by the pictures on my Instagram that he really liked that. Oh, hold up. There's a leaf. Let me get the leaf. There's mad stuff stuck in here. This car looks so good, y'all. Wow. It's crazy what a wash does. Yeah, we just chilling. Definitely gonna post these on my Instagram. I still gotta wipe the rims off a little bit. Put some tire shine on because it got dirty driving here from the wash. We just pulled up to a second spot. Look where this man got me parked at. I got my e-brake on and everything. Look, on this main road. Look where he got me parked at. Look where he got me parked at, yo. It's anything for the content, though.
Hey, yo.
This actually look low-key hard. This is gonna be hard.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You think I'm able to go up there?
Come look at the bridge.
I don't want it to break though.
It's a little drawn, but it's reinforced. I think you'd be fine. Yeah?
Y'all think I could pull up on here?
It's metal. You're fine.
I don't know. You know how heavy my car is, bro?
You mean your boat?
Yeah. Yo, my splitter's hanging off. Yo. Look at this. My splitter's hanging off.
What happened?
I don't know.
When did you do that?
You think I did it getting up here? What the hell?
How'd that happen?
There's gravel in it. Oh nah. Yeah, I gotta empty that out. There's a whole bunch of gravel in there. I gotta do that when we get home.
My battery died.
All right, so are we done? Should I take some with the phone? It's a good spot though. It's definitely a good spot. Car looks clean as hell right now. Even though it's still dirty as hell. You got another battery? All right. You got another battery? Film camera? All right. Oh, I'm about to get banged out. Look at my splitter. That's pissing me off already. I'm gonna take some pictures of my car with my phone. So I'm gonna have to cut y'all out right now. As much as y'all want to hear me keep talking. Definitely gotta cut y'all out while I take these pics real quick. What? You ugly as hell. All right, y'all. The man said move over, so that's what we about to do. Hopefully my splitter doesn't break completely off. If it does, I'm just gonna take it completely off. What way do I gotta move? Over here? Oh God. This is what we do for pictures out here. You talking about some backup more. I don't know if I feel like getting out. Maybe just chill right here and talk to y'all. Y'all ever seen somebody wear a shoelace belt? This man literally wears a shoelace belt with every fit. Like, I don't even think he has a belt. He just throw a shoelace in his pants every time. Usually people do that when they forget they belt. But he just be rocking it. Take pictures of him taking pictures. Leapfrog? Peep the stance though. Yo, that boy is funny. I don't know if I got my laneys all dirty. I got these shits off Grail for like $70 though. Not too bad, not too bad. You feel me? Pretty sturdy. Good feet. I like the retro Jordans though, for sure. Better than all the new shit. I like the little yellowing on them actually. Like the side net that yellows, and they're not even too bad for $70. You feel me? Got these on today with some little Nike track pants, windbreaker pants, and then I also got a vintage Kentucky hoodie or vintage Kentucky crew neck from Grailed as well. But yeah, a little calm fit. You feel me? Where's he at? Where did Cuz go? Where did he go? You're down there hiding. Are you done yet? How many more?
11?
We staying here for 11 more?
Yep. Unless you want to do more somewhere else.
Let's go to that open road.
I bet.
One more spot to go to. He got 11 more pictures left. Maybe I'll get some flybys or something at the open road spot. Definitely some more pics, but maybe I'll get some flybys. I'm about to pull out of this spot and then tap back in with y'all and pick up the camera when we get to the next one. So it turns out we're actually taking fit pics right now.
Look at this idiot, because he doesn't want to turn around. He's doing a quarter mile backwards like Dom Toretto.
This is where we at right now, at a little low-key spot. How do you know all the spots? All you do is search for Hot Wheels and look for spots to take pictures. Hold up. I didn't even show y'all what the car looks like. It looks so good. Sitting over there. Come on. How's that good pictures? Where am I taking pictures at?
Right over there by that door.
What, the one behind you? By the door of the garage over here? Where, by the trash can? All right. I don't know what I'm doing back here, but apparently he does, so. So I did just make it back home. I wiped the wheels off and I also put some tire shine on. So what I'm about to do now is empty my catch can. Just got an oil change last week and I forgot to empty it. So if you got a catch can out there, this is your sign to empty it. That's hot as hell. I actually probably shouldn't do this while the engine's hot. Yeah, I'm gonna wait a little bit, let this cool off, and then come out here and change the catch can, because that shit is dumb hot. All right, we're about to try this again. Hopefully it's still not as hot. Nah, not too bad. This is how much oil is in there. That's actually a shit ton of oil, bro. You gotta get one of these if you don't got one already. I just got mine right off Amazon, you feel me? So yeah, I gotta get rid of this. Just emptied the catch can, screwed it back up. Now I'm about to show y'all what the car looks like after it's all clean. Well, somewhat clean. My front splitter is very, very faded. I do know that. And the side skirts are faded too. 2009, what do you want? I actually did fix this splitter though. Got that back up, so that's good. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video for sure. It's dumb sunny out right now, but I hope you enjoyed the video for sure. This is really where I'm about to wrap it up now because I ain't doing nothing else the rest of the day. Hope you like this type of content. As always, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, really helps me out. Definitely got to get to that 5K ASAP, but yeah, I'm done talking. Just stay tuned for the next video.